Alright guys, we're at Live Oak Park over here. We've got the Rustler out. We're gonna, we brought 2 batteries, so the battery that we have right now, once it runs out or gets slow on the skate park, we're gonna take the new battery and we're gonna take the dirt trails. Because this thing is a Rustler. And we're gonna launch this thing. And there's already ducks over there that are here. Alright. Let's take this thing. And it's up. Alright, hold on. I gotta get closer. Okay, let's get a little closer. Is this stairs? Oh yeah, that is. Alright. I don't want to break this thing. Oh, to the moon! To the moon! Oh, I think we should drop it. Whoa! So guys, pretty soon here, we're gonna get a X Max or a Max, so that'd be good. Oh, what happened? Okay, still good. Oh, he's stopping. All right. Oh, it slid. It slid. Oh! And we locked it. To the moon. Kevin Tablet. Oh, we're dinging it. Whoa! I think this is very slippery. Oh, we're doing donuts. I think the rock sausage could make it up that. But you know, we're not Kevin Tablet. Oh! Bro, it's so fast and the track is so slippery that it just slides. Like it doesn't get a lot of traction. Look at this drift, bro. This drifting is insane. That is insane. It's full on like Tokyo drift, bro. Oh my gosh. That's sick. It's full on just Tokyo drifting, bro. Oh, we're stuck. Oh, yep, and now it's just going off track. Oh, dang. This is getting messed up, bro. Donuts. The donut to drifting is crazy. I think we should send it off the stairs. Let's go. into the block. Oh. Hold on. I think we should try and grind it. Let's try and grind it. Oh, nope, there's a spider. Never mind. Oh, that was sick. Oh, that wasn't sick. Look at this. I've never been to a skate park with an RC car that's this fast. Look at this. Oh. I think we might be ruining people's day with this RC car. I think we're just causing chaos. Bro, we're freaking Tokyo drifting this thing. To the moon! Oh!
Uh-oh. That was like
That was really to the moon, bro. That was to the moon. We're okay. All right. Yeah. That was to the freaking moon. That was to the moon, bro. I feel like this thing is now just an RC drifter. I feel like the Rustler is just an RC drifter. Because you can drift the Rustler so well. All right, let's see what got into the RC car. Not a lot of things, actually. Bro, we sent that thing to the moon. That was crazy. That was carnage. Oh, we're slipping and sliding. Oh, oh. Oh, oh, okay. We're upside down now. Yep, we're upside down. Footage. Oh, hey, the cord's sticking out. Oh, oh! Oh, okay. To the moon! No, I'm just kidding. I don't want to do that again, bro. I don't want to send it to the moon again because I don't want this thing to break. Yep, this thing's just a Tokyo drifter. I swear, this is just a Tokyo drifter, bro. Oh! Oh, hey, we're fine. Oh. It cut out. It cut out on me. Oh. Bro, we absolutely sent that to the moon last time. Like, bro. Oh no. Oh! Oh! Alright, it's a good landing. So I thought there would be like a jump that you had to clear, and it wasn't just a quarter pipe, and then up a grind rail, a grind rail, a grind rail, and then just a little jump over there. I thought that it would be much bigger because it said it was like 105-foot stuff. Bro, honestly, Live Oak, y'all need to build an RC track. Okay, us RC car drivers, all we have is this skate park and the trails. Y'all need to build a RC track, bro. No sending to the moon, because I don't want this to break. If we do send it to the moon, I want to make sure it lands properly. Because we did a tumble-wumble like Kevin Pablo. Yeah. That still can break it though. Like, it's just an RC car. But it is made by Traxxas, so. Send it. I didn't send it right there enough. But, you know, I don't want to break it. Oh, okay, cool. What is the steering trim doing, bro?
Are you too far from it?
No. Oh! We're hanging off. Oh no, we might have broke it. It's going slow. I think. Bro, I think we might have broke it.
Try the other battery and see. Maybe you're just pushing it to the limit.
Yeah, let's try the other one.
Underneath it. All the parts are there, all the... Well, that might not. You may need a air thingy.
Oh yeah, I think it's just low battery.
You may need an air thingy.
It's just low battery.
Okay.
Ow, that thing's hot.
Hot?
Or it might be overheating. How's the battery?
Put it on the side.
And a 3,300 mAh instead of 3,000. So kind of pushing it. Alright, you know. I don't know, we might have failed. I don't want. Hey, we entered the RC car bundle, so we might win. We might win. I hope we do. Oh my gosh, this thing. Plug in. Okay, really? Oh yeah, it was just the battery. It was just the battery. Yeah, definitely just the battery.
You're just pushing it to its limit with what you're capable of.
Can you help it up? All right. That was clean. Yeah, that was clean, bro. Look at where I landed. Also, Live Oak, when you make an RC park, if you do, make it a dirt park. Please, just. Oh my gosh, the way this thing drifts. Oh, we're out of range. Oh. All right then.
Oh, it flipped.
Wow. Oh, it flipped. Oh no, it didn't flip. We're fine. Yo, that moon send was fine. I let go of the throttle though because I didn't want it to too much send. You don't want to oversend. Oh yeah. Oh no. I think the gyro disconnected from the wheel. Never mind. Yeah. Why? It drifted off. Literally drifted off. Taking the stairs. Oh, we went off. Okay, really, it keeps flying off. Ah, I'm trying to like perfectly do it. Oh no, I think the left dick block died. Or not. Diff lock, I meant, why did I say dick lock? Diff lock. That's weird. Oh! Perfect, perfect! Butter! Butter! Oh yeah, we're digging it. Oh! Yeah, that was sick. Oh, that was sick. That was perfect. That was butter. Oh. Out of range. Whoa, we wheelied that. Anyway, see ya. Also, guys, this is the Traxxas Rustler 4x4 XL5.